Hi besties, it's another day and another video. Don't mind my lighting. I just wanted to start this video and NEPA took light. That is always what they always do. Whenever I want to film, they will take their light. So guys, we're gonna be using this influencer light for this video. Chill. What I'm about to upload will help you in all round in your productivity and your content creation. You might be asking, what about the daytime? Why can't I film in the daytime? Yes, I work a 9 to 5 job. In my last video, I talked about why I don't want to quit my job. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about something super important: setting and achievable goals. Now, really, whether you're working on your career, fitness, or your business, relationship, or personal growth, I'm here to guide you to a simple yet powerful tool. So grab your notes, let's get started. Firstly, let me ask you this: why do you want to set a goal? Goals gives you clarity, motivation, and direction. They help you stay focused and give you a daily action purpose. But here is the thing: not all goals are achievable. Not all goals, weekly goal setting, monthly goal setting that you set that is achievable, and this is why you need to watch this video to the end. The key is to set a goal that is realistic and actionable. We call that the SMART goal framework. The best way to achieve your goal is by using the SMART framework. Let's break it down in 5 easy steps. Number 1, specify. Be clear about what you want. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, something like this, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months. Number 2, measurable. Always track your process. Number 3, achievable. Always be realistic about your goals and your resources. Number 4, relevant. Make sure your goals aligns with your values and your priorities. Number 5, time bound. Set a deadline to create urgency. Big goals can feel so overwhelming and stressful, but breaking it down into smaller pieces can make it more measurable. For example, if your goal is to write a book, break it down into chapters or a daily word count, and also learn how to celebrate small wins. They always keep you going and motivated. Accountability is the key. Share your goals with a friend or join a community of people who has the same ambition as you to help you keep track and accountability. The more accountability you are, the more likely for you to stick to your plan. Life happens and setbacks are inevitable. The key is to reflect, adjust, and keep going. Don't beat yourself up. Result is not always that quick. Focus on the big picture, not your end goal. Visualize your success and practice gratitude. Seeing yourself achieving your goals boosts more confidence, and gratitude keep you positive. This small habit can make a difference in your life. And this is folks, how to set your goals this 2025 and achieve it. And remember, this is not about dreaming big, but this is about taking a consistency action. Let me know in the comment section what your biggest goal this 2025 is and how you were planning to achieve yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.